going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. We have the Air Jordan 1 bubblegums. I'm gonna call them because it's basically inspired about MJ, how he loved bubblegum. I call them the bubblegums, but they also call the atmosphere because it is an atmosphere pink. But I'm about to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And also, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, man, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. This is gonna be a woman's exclusive, okay? So if you guys are trying to get these, I know I'm a size 9 in men's, so I had to get these in a 10.5 in women. So if you're a size 10.5 in men's, so that means you'll be a 12 in this shoe right here. And I think that's all it goes up to, if I'm not mistaken. I think it goes up to a woman's 12. I must say, the colorway on this is pretty dope. And with that being said, man, let's get straight into this review so I can show you how these bad boys are coming. These are set to release December 22nd, all right? With a retail price of 170 bucks. The box is in that obsidian blue, okay? On the shoe is not black. I even was confused in the beginning. I thought the shoe was black. All the dark spots you see on this shoe is in obsidian blue. Okay, so the box is in obsidian blue, and it does have the Nike in that atmosphere pink. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Atmosphere Obsidian White. These are 10.5, like I said, and retail is 170 bucks. Inside, you do got some new paper they're giving you. You can see it says Jordan on it. Shoe does come with 2 sets of laces. You got the pink laces and you got some white laces. And it also comes with the blue laces on the shoe. There you have it. The shoe also comes with a hang tag. As you can see, the hang tag, it has like an iridescent to it when you move it, which is very nice. Like a patent leather on the front of the toe box. You can see the shine and that iridescent obsidian blue in the front of the toe. On the tongue, you got a nylon tongue. And on the tongue, it does say Nike Air in white. Got a white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. I know a lot of girls are gonna like these, man. You do got the obsidian hit over here. You do got the obsidian swoosh, white leather in the mid panel. Now the leather is okay. It's not like it's a little tumble, but it's stiff leather over here. That atmosphere pink going towards the back of the heel over here and up over here on the ankle collar. You do got the wing with the Air Jordan and the basketball and that obsidian blue. More obsidian blue going where the laces go through. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You do got the atmosphere pink going towards the back. White midsole, navy swoosh, navy going to the front of the toe. And yeah, man, you guys can see it. This is a clean shoe, real clean shoe. I kind of personally think it would have been better if it was black. But that's just me, though. I don't know what you guys think. I think it would have been better if it was black, but I guess in some parts you can't even tell. You got that pink in the back, and you do got leather on the top of the ankle collar over here. The leather is pretty nice back here. It's nice and plush. Now take a look at the bottom, guys. This is the right shoe. Now they put the bubble gum like as if you stepped on the bubble gum on the bottom of the shoe. That's why they calling these the bubble gums. MJ loved chewing bubble gum. That is a gum mark, like as if he stepped on a gum on the floor. It only comes on this shoe, doesn't come on the other one. Pink bottom with the Nike branding. And they're clean, man. Real clean shoe. Take a look at the inner sole. You got the navy inner sole with the Nike Air in that pink. And that is basically it, man. I'm going to show you guys what they look like on feet. And you guys be the judge, man. Do you think you need these? Do you have to cop these? Do you like the colorway? Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below, man. And also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I got more videos to come, so stay tuned. Man, thank you all for your support. Also, don't forget, follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think, man. It's your boy Diaz Dan. We about to get into this on feet.